Hello, wonderful people. Namaste. I have a yoga for you for limited mobility. I have a special somebody in my life, a special person, and this video was made thinking of that person and also some of you who have expressed limited mobility. This video is also great to practice as office yoga. So from my heart, directly to yours, I hope this video is of tremendous help to you. We're going to need a chair. Please grab a mat so that you can place it on a mat so that it doesn't move, or place your chair against the wall. Make sure that it's sturdy if you have it on a mat so that you don't fall. And go ahead and sit down on your chair. Get comfortable. We will be doing two different sun salutations, one seated and one standing up. Several repetitions to make sure that it helps you understand the movement and the breath. So let's begin. And there is a mistake right here. See how my heels are not touching the ground? Make sure your heels touch the ground. If not, go grab some blocks or books. Make sure your knee is at a 90-degree angle. Soles of your feet firmly planted on the ground or on books or blocks. Roll your shoulders back. Back is straight. Bring your attention inward. Connect with your breath. Connect with this moment. Ground yourself right here, right now. Now that we brought some awareness into our body and into our breath, we will slowly begin. I will first show you the movement without the breath, and then we will combine the two. Bring your hands in Namaste Mudra in front of your chest. Dedicate this practice to something you want to attract to your life. Dedicate it to something you need to let go of, or dedicate it to a special someone or something. Maybe you dedicate this class to have more mobility in your life. Arms up. Fold forward on top of your knees. Make sure your back is straight. Your hands can be on your knees or on the floor, wherever it keeps your back straight. Hands back up to the sky. Hands down. Bring your right knee to touch your chest. Plant your foot on the chair. If it does not reach your foot, this is perfectly fine. Touch your forehead to the knee. Bring that knee down. Arms up to the sky. Fold forward, back is straight. You don't have to touch your toes. Hands back up. Hands down. Left knee now. You hug it into your chest. Open up your chest, look up. Forehead to your knee. Release the leg, arms up. Fold forward, back is straight. Hands back up to the sky, look up. And hands down in Namaste Mudra in front of your chest. Good job. Now let's do that again, but this time we're going to combine movement with breath. So pay attention when we open our body, when we raise our hands up, we inhale. Look up. If it feels nice, open up your chest. And when we fold forward, we exhale. Back is straight. Inhale. Bring the right knee to your chest. Open up. Exhale. Forehead to knee. Let go of the leg. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left knee comes up to your chest. Open up your chest. Exhale, forehead to knee. Let go of the knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands in namaste. Good, let's do that again. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right knee comes up to your chest. Open up your chest. Exhale, forehead to knee. Let go of the leg. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left knee comes into your chest. Open up. Exhale, forehead to knee. Let go of the leg. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. That's a very good job, guys. Now we're going to do a sun salutation, again with a chair, but this time standing up. So again, make sure that there's a proper distance between you and the chair, and that the chair is sturdy on a wall, against a wall, or underneath your mat. Please check your toes, make sure you spread them, make sure that they're aligned with your hips. So slightly open or closed if you prefer this. Hands straight. Activate your shoulders, roll them back, make sure your back is straight. Again, we are going to do the movement first, and later we will combine it with the breath. Arms up. Fold forward on the chair. Use the chair as support. Make sure that your back is straight. If your back is not straight, please go ahead and bend your knees slightly so you relieve some pressure out of your lumbar area. If this feels really easy for you, then straighten your knees and reach down to the ground, but keep your back straight. But for purposes of this video, I will be using the chair to show you. So let's recap. We opened up our arms to the sky, then we fold forward over the chair, then we open up, right leg goes back into runner's lunge, other leg goes back, downward facing dog, stretch it out, open up. Now the left leg goes forward into runner's lunge, back leg meets the front, arms up to the sky, hands in Namaste Mudra. Alright, let's combine with the breath. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees if necessary. Inhale, open up your chest. Send that right leg back into runner's lunge. Cut the distance shorter if you need it, and send the other leg back into downward facing dog. And breathe here. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, open up your chest. And send the left leg forward into runner's lunge. Open up your chest. Exhale. Other leg comes forward. Hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Hands to heart. Let's do that again. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, open up and send the right leg back into runner's lunge. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg goes back. Breathe. Connect with the breath again. Inhale, open up and send the left leg forward into runner's lunge. Look up. Exhale, right leg meets the left. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Good job. Let's do it again. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, send that right leg back, runner's lunge. Cut the distance shorter if you need it and send the other leg back into downward facing dog on the exhale. Inhale, open up your chest, left leg comes forward. Open up. Other leg meets the left leg. Inhale, arms up to the sky, shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, hands to heart, namaste. That's a good job, guys. Just a few tips to always keep in mind. When we fold forward, we're always keeping our back straight and we are tightening our core to relieve some of that pressure from your back. So all the weight is held on your abs and not your lumbar area. So as we exhale, we tighten up those abs and we fold forward, engaging our abs. And as we inhale, we send that leg back. And as we exhale, we come into downward dog. And as we inhale, the other leg comes forward, runner's lunge. Back leg meets the front. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Good job, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. And also don't forget to follow me here on my Instagram. If you would like to finish up with a meditation or shavasana, feel free to lay down, face up on your mat, on your bed, or sit on a chair, or sit right here on the ground. Get comfy, relax, and click on this video right here for a guided meditation. Thank you so much again. Mwah. Kisses from my heart to your heart. Thank you. Namaste.